Hello everyone, this is Brick, and today I'll bring you guys with about my brick haul from Lego Shop at Home. And these are the bricks I bought from Pick a Brick section, and that's for my project to build up the Eiffel Tower. And I already uploaded the first video about it, and this is the second haul for the bricks. You can see they're all from Lego. This is just the letter from Lego. This is the letter from Lego, and also you can see there's the list about what's inside, because when you buy the bricks from Pick a Brick section, they will send the brick out separately. So when it's ready, they will send out. But in here, you can see I bought some fans, and this only, I think it's 100 of those, and I ordered another 200 in there. And these white bricks, they are not from the Eiffel Tower. It's just from I will put this into the minifigure frame, and this is just the minifigure standard. And I also uploaded a separate video about this, how to make the minifigure frame and for a series. Okay, so put in there. So there. So let's open this one. Alright, see the package is, actually there's no bubble in there. It's not like normally Lego sent out the their sets. And here you can see that's the list with all the parts you got, and also with the color. It's actually the color print. And the second part there you can see. In here, oh, it's quite a big one. There. So I actually ordered some green plates. They are not the current one you can find. You can find from the market, because at market the green is the bright green, and this one is like normal green. And I think this place is the old place, and this I really thanks Lego still holding this product, and I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. These are just some technical bricks. That's for the project as well. And there's another 200 fans, and some 1x1 plates, and some 2x2 corner plates. Okay, so these are my second brick haul for my project to rebuild the Eiffel Tower, and I'll keep uploading the videos about this brick haul for my project. And I hope you guys can follow me on Instagrams or YouTube, and just keep an eye on my video to upload it for this project. Thank you very much.